comparing the Emmo Addo to the new Hivee, and if you've watched, this is being discontinued. So this is now your go-to for your compact, like small scooter style e-bike. So I just wanted to show kind of them side by side, size difference. I've said in other videos as well, pros and cons. I mean, this is no longer an option, but the batteries are under the seat. So this makes this bike actually feel a lot heavier because it's top heavy. Where with this one, the batteries are all underneath here. A light. They're actually, sorry, they're not under here like the Morona. They're stacked under the seat. So, but this does feel lighter. I would like the batteries down here, but this is a better setup than that in terms of weight if you're going with a lead acid. And so they're actually stacked all in here. So it'll probably have 3 rows of 3. So your batteries are from here to here. So that makes sense there. Wouldn't look like they're too difficult to get at. This whole bin would just come off. There's 4 bolts. So I like the storage, although that's not a really huge storage, but if you want to put on something bigger, at least you have that option. But I like how there's more room for your feet here, and the handlebars are a lot wider. The distance between the seat and the handlebars are the same. I do like the lights on this one very much. I just wish there could be an option for storage. I really do. But lengthwise, they're actually the same. But yeah, just kind of giving, like, kind of going around. They're the same size tires. This is quite a wider seat. They did go up by $100. These ones in the 60 volt 20 amp hour were $2,099, and these ones are $2,199. Probably because they've got a few extra features with like the Bluetooth speakers. You've got your USB charge port here too, which is pretty cool. But yeah, this is just like a side-by-side comparison to these 2 bikes. So if you're buying online and you're buying from Ride the Wind, right? This will make it easier for you to kind of decide what you're going to get without, if you don't have access to a store nearby. This is kind of gives you that side by side. Now, the tires are the same, but they look bigger, probably just because the fender is up. But yeah, that's the 2 bikes side by side to give you a good idea of what they're like side by side.